Mind-blowing smart machines that make work look too easy. The sound of metal colliding echoes through the air. It's not noise, it's rhythm, precise, almost musical. A massive robotic arm rotates, gripping a sheet of gleaming steel and sets it down on a conveyor, gliding forward under cold white light. No human voices, no mistakes, only pure efficiency, powered by artificial intelligence and mechanical precision at the atomic level. Welcome to the world of smart machines, where heavy labor becomes a flawless automated dance, and productivity reaches levels that leave us in awe. This isn't science fiction. This is now a reality where factory machines don't just work for humans, but think, predict, and adjust like logical, tireless beings. Imagine this: an automotive assembly line, hundreds of robotic arms welding car bodies in perfect sync, each spark flashing like the heartbeat of the factory. A conveyor system that identifies products and directs materials with nothing more than scan codes and optical sensors. A control center, walls of monitors displaying real-time data where entire smart factories are run with just a few taps. Everything happens without delay, without wasted motion. These industrial machines were built not just to operate, but to optimize. Every laser cut is accurate down to the micron. Every robotic arm refines its movement shift after shift. Every stream of data is analyzed instantly to stop errors before they happen. This is automation technology at its peak, where efficiency isn't just a goal, it's the system's instinct. Here, there's no chaos, no shouting, no sweat, only perfect flow, as if the entire factory were breathing in one single synchronized rhythm. From tiny smart tools in machine shops to massive heavy machinery crushing stone, forging steel, and lifting tens of tons, everything is built around one philosophy: work smarter, faster, more precise, and more beautiful. That's what makes it so mesmerizing. Not just the productivity, but the feeling, that deeply satisfying moment when you watch an entire system run smooth and perfect, as if time itself has slowed down. If you've ever watched a factory machine's compilation or a satisfying industrial process video, you know that feeling. When every motion, every sound, every spark feels like a tribute to both the technology and the people who created it. But behind that perfection lies a deeper philosophy. A vision that automation doesn't destroy labor. It frees human intelligence to create, to dream, and to master the world we build. These aren't just machines. This is engineering technology, the way we extend our capabilities through steel, silicon, and data. So before you go any further, hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell. Not just to watch machines in action, but to understand how humans made them so intelligent that working looks effortless. So what makes these machines so extraordinary? It's not just speed, not just power, it's intelligence. The kind that turns cold steel and silent motors into logical, sensing, learning beings. Today, every single machine in a smart factory is part of a vast industrial nervous system. Temperature sensors, AI cameras inspecting product quality, data systems learning from human behavior, all linked together in one giant automation network. A blade starts to drift off course, the system auto-corrects in real time. A machine shows early signs of failure, AI predicts it, sends a warning, and launches maintenance before anything breaks. That's engineering intelligence, where every microscopic detail is measured, analyzed, and optimized to near perfection. These smart machines are no longer just tools, they're partners. Tireless, ever learning, pushing humanity beyond its own limits. Take a look at a modern smartphone production line. Each microchip, smaller than a grain of dust, is soldered by machines with an error margin below 0.001 millimeter. Robotic arms place components with accuracy beyond human eyesight. AI-powered cameras inspect every product in milliseconds, ensuring not a single flaw escapes detection. The result?
Millions of flawless devices rolling out every day without a single human hand touching them. But the real power doesn't lie in that precision. It lies in the systemic intelligence, the ability of the entire line to self-operate, self-correct, and self-optimize. That's the difference between the industrial machines of the past and the smart factories of today. In a world where time is money, these high-efficiency machines don't just help businesses produce faster, they're redefining what work means for humankind. No exhaustion, no repetition, only harmony between data, mechanics, and people, a perfect triangle of industrial progress. Automation doesn't destroy jobs, it transforms them, from manual labor to intellectual, creative, and analytical work. The workers of the 21st century don't hold hammers, they hold control panels, data, and ideas. So when you see a steel-cutting machine move as if it has a soul, remember this. Behind it isn't just metal, sensors, and algorithms, but the lifelong genius of thousands of engineers who made perfection itself automatic. There's one thing every machine, no matter how intelligent, can never create on its own: purpose. Machines can calculate, learn, and self-adjust, but they don't know why they exist. It's humans who give soul to steel, data, and energy. Every production line, every flawless automated system you see, all began with an idea, a sketch, and someone who believed we can make it better. Think about it. Those laser welders that fuse car frames, invented by people. Those robotic arm algorithms, coded by people. Those AI systems tracking millions of parameters per second, trained by people, to understand what better than yesterday really means. Technology has never replaced humanity, it amplifies it. When you see a factory running smoothly, you're not just watching metal in motion, you're witnessing the mind, persistence, and belief of the engineers, designers, and workers behind it. Behind every perfect robotic movement are thousands of failed tests. Behind every automation system are sleepless nights from software engineers. And behind every efficient production line are people who truly believe that the future can be built through absolute precision.
That's what makes technology great. Not because it replaces us, but because it reflects the creative nature of humanity itself. In this age of smart factories and AI-driven manufacturing, there's one thing we must never forget. Machines can do the work, but only people can dream. And it's those dreams that keep the world turning. No one dreams of a perfect factory just to watch it run. We dream to build something better than yesterday, faster than today, and more sustainable for tomorrow. That's why every bolt, every sensor, every chip on the line carries the fingerprint of humanity, of curiosity, perseverance, and the desire to create something truly worth being proud of. Technology isn't cold. It's the echo of human minds constantly striving to make the world smoother, sharper, and more beautiful. The sound of the factory rises again. Conveyors glide, robotic arms rotate, sparks from welders burst like industrial fireworks. Everything moves, perfect, synchronized, tireless. But if you stop for a second and really listen, beneath the hum of machines, you can still hear a human heartbeat. Because behind every smart algorithm, there's an engineer trying again for the 1,000th time. Behind every automated line, there's a team watching, fine-tuning, and smiling when everything runs just right. And behind every satisfying machine's video you've ever watched lies a world of creativity, patience, and engineering pride. Technology doesn't just change how we work, it changes what work means. Once, people bent steel, lifted weight, and worked until exhaustion. Now, we control productivity with intelligence. We teach machines to understand processes so that humans can do what only humans can: think, create, and innovate. Across the globe, smart factories are rising, not just producing goods, but redefining the very meaning of industrial civilization. Every gear rotation, every laser flash, every control sequence is living proof that when humans and machines work together, the limits of productivity simply disappear. And that is the essence of the technological era we live in.
Not the age of robots, not the age of AI, but the age of collaboration between artificial and human intelligence. So the next time you see a factory running seamlessly, remember, it's not magic. It's logic, data, passion, and faith blended into motion. It's the result of centuries of technological evolution, from the wheel and the steam engine to microchips and intelligent sensors. And it all began with people. They didn't just build machines, they gave them soul. They made metal feel, data think, and productivity become art. So next time you see a robotic arm move in perfect rhythm or an automated line that looks like magic, pause for a moment. Remember that behind every motion are millions of human minds writing together the symphony of the future. If you believe that technology isn't just machinery, but the pride of human intelligence, like, subscribe, and share this journey. Because we're not just watching the world change, we're building it. Machines don't build the future, people do. And you are part of it.